Hey guys, this is Abdul from Product Go Sourcing Agent. A lot of customers asking me, is Alibaba saying, and also they are asking me, Alibaba, can we find a verified manufacturer or industry? Don't buy any products from Alibaba because there are a lot of scammers. Instead, buy it from here. You know, here, this is the Canton Fair. Today is the last day. There are a lot of products, a lot of industries and manufacturers showing their products to the customer. So I have more than 3 years of experience sourcing products from China. I've helped many clients from overseas buy their products safely. You need any product sourced from China, just inbox me and I will link the bio in my profile. You can contact me on Upwork. Thank you so much. Bye.